I'm making Thai green chicken curry today. It's really quick and easy to make. We're going to get it on the table in 30 minutes, and that includes making our own curry paste from scratch. I'm going to add all of the paste ingredients to my blender. You can use a mini food processor if you prefer, but I find it doesn't blend up the paste quite as well. You might get a few specks of coriander or cilantro in there, so I'm going to be using the blender. Now, one of the good things about making your own curry paste is that you can adjust the heat level to your own palate. So I'm going to be using 4 mild green chilies that I've roughly chopped and I've de-seeded as well, so they're mild enough for the kids as well, so the kids will enjoy that. So add those into the dish, and I'm also adding 6 roughly chopped spring onions or scallions. Next in goes a thumb-sized piece of ginger that's been peeled and roughly chopped. And then I've got 4 cloves of garlic, again roughly chopped, and 2 lemongrass stalks. So I've removed those outer woody leaves and just roughly chopped them, and the zest of 1 lime as well. For the spices, we've got a tablespoon of ground coriander, half a tablespoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. We've got 6 kaffir lime leaves and the juice of a lime. And finally, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and a teaspoon of shrimp paste. Let's give that a good blitz. Now that's blended down, we're going to add in the coriander or cilantro, all in one. Stick it in with the stalks as well, no need to chop those off. Let's give that a good blitz. So we want to get it to this consistency where it's nice and smooth. You can't see any flecks of coriander or cilantro in there. You might need to scrape down the sides a couple of times in order to make sure that you've got everything combined really well together. Smells like the spiciest smoothie ever. Now the paste's done, we're going to start cooking some chicken. So I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating over a medium to high heat in a large pan. Let's add in that chicken. So I've got 4 chopped up chicken breasts in there. That'll serve about 6 people. And we're going to cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's cooked through. Now that chicken's cooked through, we're going to add in that lovely, vibrant green curry paste. I really wish you could smell this curry, the fragrance coming from it. Oh, it's delicious. So we're just going to cook the paste through for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to sprinkle on a stock cube just to add a little bit more depth of flavour. We're going to pour in a 400 ml can or 14 ounce can of full fat coconut milk. Give it a good stir. Now that sauce is heated through, I'm going to add in the veggies. So I've got a head of broccoli that I've chopped into small florets. And we've got about a cup of sugar snap peas or snow peas. And about half a cup of bamboo shoots. I've just used bamboo shoots from the can. Give all that stir together. So I'm putting the veggies in towards the end so that they stay nice and vibrant and a little bit crunchy. So we're just going to cook that through for about another 3 to 4 minutes. The final ingredient, just to balance out the flavours, is a teaspoon of brown sugar. So I'm just going to cook that gently for a couple more minutes until the veggies are nice and tender, and then we're ready to serve. I'm going to serve it with some boiled rice and top with some Thai basil leaves and some freshly chopped chilli. So that's my Thai green curry, and look, it's actually really green. I love homemade dinners like this, totally homemade and ready in 30 minutes. Be sure to check out our other delicious dinners. See you next time.